building here is bigger than us. It's for our environment, it's for our cities, it's for our peace of mind. We don't want a future where our cities are full of cars and pollution, but instead, we want individual freedom, happy people, and a healthier planet.
Well, my story starts as a kid, like everybody else. My passion and my love for cycling started at a very young age. The sense of freedom and adventure that a simple thing like a bicycle brings to one's life is just awesome. So I turned this passion into a business. Vene Rides is the one-stop shop if you're looking to purchase or service micro-electric vehicles. Timing is actually perfect now. We've seen over the last decade thousands of miles of protected bike lanes built in urban cities across the country. So people feel safe to ride. At the same time, we've seen the prices for micro EVs go down. The technology got better. Battery technology, motor technology on bikes and scooters got much, much better.
Here at Vene Rides, we choose vehicles and brands that are reliable, are able to be serviced, built of good quality. Our online store allows riders to purchase the perfect ride for them. Orders can be picked up in-store or delivered to their home across the country.
We want to be in every city in North America where you could come, anyone could come and purchase, subscribe, share, service a micro EV. We want to be the #1 place to go.